Being logged in on other devices is highly risky. Sometimes you logged in someone's device and then you log out, but sometimes device save your account credentials and the other person can again log in without your permission. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can you see where your WhatsApp account is currently logged in and how can you log out from all other devices. This will be a short, easy, and to-the-point tutorial, so just remember the channel name, Haskry, and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open your WhatsApp application and tap on these 3 lines in the top right corner. Then tap on Link Devices and you will head to this page. Actually, you can link up to 4 devices, but now there are only 2 devices currently using my WhatsApp. To log out, I will simply tap on the device, then we'll tap on these 3 lines. We'll press Remove Device, and my WhatsApp will be logged out from other device. For further security, you can add 2-factor authentication on your WhatsApp account as well. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.